They're just so easy and so fun that I just want to keep putting it back on. Hello everyone, it's Candace and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to partner with Glamnetic for this video. Be sure to check out my discount code Candace15 in the description box, as well as information and direct links to all of the products that we're testing out in this video. And don't forget that if this is your first time here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. My channel is also a troll-free zone, so if for some reason you're not happy with anything that you see here today and your fingers start itching to type away, stop, take a deep breath, and exit out the browser that you entered. So I love Glamnetic's packaging. It is super, super cute. We are testing out a couple of lashes today. We have a full lash in the style Lullaby, and we also have a half lash in the style Queen. So we're going to try both of those out. And then we also have 2 sets of press-on nails. I'm going to choose one to try on. This is Mariposa and this is Sprinkles. I'm super excited about these because I have seen a lot of people with like rainbow colored French tip nails, and that's exactly what this is. And also Mariposa is this beautiful, beautiful shade of like lavender that I think is just going to look gorgeous. So as I mentioned earlier, every Glamnetic lash adheres to your eye through the magnetic eyeliner, which we have right here. I have this in black. This is the color Deep Space, and it's the felt tip pen version, which you should be able to see right there. But there are other versions of this eyeliner. It does come in other colors and in other tip points. So if you are someone who prefers like brush tips or felt tips, you still have the option to choose the kind of eyeliner that works for you. But just make sure that you absolutely have tons of this eyeliner available so that you can use your lashes. The lashes are reusable up to 60 times. I absolutely love the way that lashes complete a look, but it's just so hard. For the few times that I've done lashes with glue and it actually worked and it like didn't irritate my eyes, I felt like a miracle had happened, and I had no clue how I did it. It just somehow it worked that day, and then it never worked the same way again. So I've kind of given up on lashes just because I feel like it's just, you know, not enough of a hassle. If I can get some good mascara, I'm good to go. But I am really, really excited to try this because if it is as simple as it looks for everyone else on the internet, then this might be a game changer. You guys might see me turning into an IG baddie out here. Let me find out, right? Let me find out. Okay, so let's dive in. So when you open your lashes, you're gonna slide them right out of the little clear Glamnetic canister that you see here. And they are already secured onto this magnetic strip. And that's another thing. So sometimes a lot of lashes, at least I know that I purchased that are glue-on lashes, a lot of them say that they're reusable, and I'm like, oh great, but by the time I like pull the glue off, it's like tons of glue on it. Lashes are very delicate, so it's like hard to clean the glue off. And whenever I try to like put it back into the case, it's really difficult. But I like the fact that this has a magnetic strip, and so it's just going to like directly adhere to it, and you don't have to worry about cleaning any glue off once you're finished wearing the lash. And so there are 2 anchors on each end. So if you find that you need additional coverage or you just want additional security on the edges of your lashes, those corners that I talked about that always come up when we use regular lashes. And you can also purchase additional anchors, which are just very tiny magnets if you wanted to anchor across the entire, you know, full lash. So for the purposes today, we're just going to just start off really basic because we're newbies at this. We're not very good with lashes. Again, this channel is all about doing the best you can with limited resources and skill because we are not professional makeup artists. And so yeah, we are going to test this baby out. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is, I haven't applied my liner yet. I just want to see like how easy it is to handle the lash itself. So I'm going to take my lash grabs here We've got a comb on this end, which is really great because I personally love combing my lashes out, even my natural lashes. So this is great. It helps you to like integrate your lash with the Glamnetic lash. And then we have our tweezers here that will help us to, they're angled and they're long so that you can grab the lash. So I just want to see how easy it is to take it on and off. So if I grab my lash here, whoop, it pops right off, and then look at that, baby. Did you guys see that? Let's do that again in slow motion. Bam. Easy to take off, easy to store, right? I also want to show you all the anchors. So the anchor is just a little tiny magnet with like 2 little lashes on top. So once you do that with the lashes and you feel comfortable with it, you can go ahead and actually start thinking about the application process. And that is going to just be applying your eyeliner in your desired methods. If you want to do a cat eye, if you want to do a simple line, if you're doing something dramatic or something simple, it doesn't really matter. You're just going to use this like you would any other liner. Don't get too caught up in the fact that it's magnetic. Just apply your liner and complete your makeup as you normally would. So we want to shake up the pen, our Glamnetic pen, and just shake it up a few times. All right, so now we're going to uncap it, and we're just going to apply a thin natural line way from the inside corner to the outside. No wing at this point. So here we have our very beautiful, see how like fluffy and long these are? They're gorgeous. With the magnets facing towards me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to place the, oh my god. You all, what is happening? Why is it so easy? Oh my god. Let me just pinch this down. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. I'm like tugging at my lash right now. So I'm gonna try a lash on this outer corner. Perfect. You guys, I just leveled up to IG baddie status. No lie. No lie. That's so crazy. That literally took like all of like probably 5 or 10, probably 10 seconds because again, I was a little clumsy with it. Okay, so this was super easy. And I was doing this kind of clumsily on camera. Obviously, if you are just looking in the mirror, it's a lot easier. But I would definitely say like just make sure you have a good generous a line of liner. It doesn't have to be super thick, just make sure that like it's generous and that you just really take your time and guide the magnets straight onto the liner, and then it just does everything else for you. Of course, I just added the anchor to give myself a little bit more security on that outer lash. Again, my natural lashes are fairly long, so sometimes I feel like they get in the way of additional lashes, but this definitely really kind of fixes that issue. And then you can just kind of take this and just comb your lashes together, which is what I'm going to do now. And the fact that like I'm combing them through and they're not even like coming off, that's amazing, guys. Okay, so just for the sake of this, because I want to see what the full lash looks like versus a half lash. So again, you can just kind of pluck them off and pluck them back. These are half lashes, so these do not have anchors, so there's nothing to remove from this lash. We're just going to focus on letting the lashes adhere first. Bam. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how easy this is. And then you can take your lash grab and just kind of press down on the lash line a little bit more if you need to or want to. I think that if I was doing half lashes, I would definitely want to make sure I had some mascara on the front. Let me try that. I think that might help balance it out a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. So poll in the comments, which one do you like the best? Do you prefer the full lash? Or do you prefer the half lash? I feel like this one is more dramatic and it would look really nice if I had like a smoky eye. I feel like it lifts my eye up nicely and even like my face, versus this one is just like more natural and more me, but just like extra, if that makes sense. Okay, so we are going to dive into the nails in a second. For the sake of continuity, so I don't look too crazy, I think I'm just going to wear Lullaby on both of my eyes. And then we also get to see how easy it is to remove a lash. I'm just going to take our lash grab. We're going to grab our lashes. And boom, pull. We're going to take our case. And bam, we've stored it away. That was literally it. That simple. Took the lash off, pop that baby in, we are done. Y'all, the joy I feel right now, it has never been that easy to take off a lash. I think they're just so easy and so fun that I just want to keep putting it back on. I'm sorry, I just cannot believe how good these look, how easy they are to put on, how like completely solid they are. So we have two nails here. I'm going to wear Mariposa today because those are the ones that I'm feeling. Also, my bestie recommended that I try these, so that is the one that we're going to do today. Now I have a more detailed video that will be posted soon. It may already be posted at the time this video goes live. That details how you should prep your nails and get them all shaped up and everything for press-ons. It's a press-on video in general that just gives you more information about it and why I love press-ons so much. So if you want to know a little bit more about how I've prepped my nails, right now they're cut and filed and I've pressed the cuticles back, you can watch that video. You take this off and we already have some nails here. It's just 5 nails. It just kind of shows us what's going on. We have an alcohol prep pad. It's a wooden cuticle pusher, nail glue, and then we have the rest of our nails. The most important thing at this point is just making sure that you have the nails that you need to fit your hand. So all of our nails are a little bit different. Nails come in different sizes, and so whenever you have nails, you just want to like take them out and try them on without any glue so that you can get a sense of like which one fits which nail. So once you actually go to apply, you're just grabbing the nails and you're done. Now, how do you know that a nail is a good fit? You know that because it should be able to slide straight over top of your nail and fit directly inside that cuticle without there being any gaps. So you shouldn't have like any parts of your nail that you can see underneath the press-on. And it also shouldn't be so big that it's like completely covering up your cuticle. Now, Glamnetic nails are completely fileable, so that means that you can adjust these if you need to adjust the shape, if you want to shorten them, if you need to just slightly shave down the side so that it does fit within your cuticle. You can completely do that. You can customize these for what you want. You can get a full 2 weeks out of Glamnetic lash nails. I'm so into these lashes that I can't get the word nails out. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is, obviously, you have your nail here. So we're going to just take this nail and just squeeze the nail glue so that you've got a nice little circle. And then you're going to take the nail itself and just go one strip down the middle. You're going to take the nail and you're just going to slide it down until it fits right inside that cuticle, and you're just going to hold it there. Hold that nail as tight as you can for 10 seconds. I usually do it a little longer, maybe like 15 seconds. You're just going to hold it down, and there you go. That's your nail. That's literally how simple it is. Okay, so in real time, 2 minutes later, with a little bit of lollygagging, I have an entire manicure done on one hand. We've spent our weekend with Glamnetic looking glam in our magnetic lashes and glamming out our hands with a beautiful manicure with the Glamnetic press-on nails. I cannot tell you just like how happy I am with everything. I think it looks amazing. I feel like I have glowed up into just a beautiful, beautiful swan. So that is it for my unboxing first impressions review of Glamnetic products. Don't forget to purchase any of the products that you saw in this video, or shop around and find your preferred pattern of press-on nails or style of lashes in the links below in the description box. You can use my personalized code Candice15 and my link below to make purchases and save on your next Glamnetic haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or would like me to do another Glamnetic video on a different product or a different style, please don't forget to let me know. I absolutely love everything that I tried on today, and you can best believe that you will be seeing all of these making more appearances in my future videos. Much love. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.